it's Nina. Hello, welcome again on our channel. And in today's video, we're going to talk about how to fix Do Not Disturb turns on automatically on your Android. So let's get started. Well, here the first thing we're going to do, we're going to open up your settings. Then we're going to scroll all the way down and tap on sound and vibration. Here we're going to scroll all the way down, and as you see here we have the Do Not Disturb option, so tap on it. And here from the very top we have the Do Not Disturb, it's toggled on, so there'll be no reminders for incoming calls and notifications. Now the first thing that you can do to turn off automatically Do Not Disturb, you can just toggle this off. And the second thing that you can do, if you schedule time to turn it on, here from the very bottom we have scheduled turn on time, so tap on it and turn it off, and like that the Do Not Disturb won't automatically turn on your Android. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya.